In this video, I'm going to show you how to keep your MetaMask wallet safe and how to remove websites and dApps that you may have connected to via your MetaMask wallet. And also towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you an exciting new passive income. So let's get started. Now, your MetaMask wallet will interact with decentralized websites and exchanges. And the beauty of that is that you don't have to do KYC. So you can do some trading. So you could use an exchange like PancakeSwap, for example. And you can go over to, let's say if I went over to their pools and I just had a look at this pool right here. And let's say I wanted to get involved in this. There's no KYC, but I have to click this button to enable it. So I click that button. And what it does is it opens up my MetaMask. And I click confirm. It charges me a small fee. But now this website can talk to my MetaMask wallet and can interact with my MetaMask wallet. Now, PancakeSwap is a fairly safe website. And I don't think they're going to be, taking my coins from me. But you may find that you connect with a website or a dApp, or you add a coin that you don't know about, and they start to steal your money from you, which is what's happened to me. So I got a coin that just appeared in my wallet, and I thought, oh, what's that coin? And it had a value. I thought, oh, let me sell it. It must be an old coin that I bought some time ago. And I went to approve the coin. And when I approved the coin, it took out from my wallet $529 of burst and 284 C98 coins, which is worth about $300 to $400. So I lost about $900 in the blink of an eye from a contract that had been approved in my MetaMask wallet, and it stole my money. So what can you do about it? Well, let me show you what you need to do. Now, I use a website called beefy.finance, and I'm going to leave a link for this below. But you can see you connect your wallet, and then what this does is it looks in your wallet for all the coins and contracts that you've approved in your MetaMask wallet. So as you can see here, here's a list of mine, and some of these are limited, so they've only got limited access. But you may find you've got these red ones, which is unlimited. So they can do anything they like in your wallet. So you just click on that button, and you get this pop-up. To revoke them. It's going to charge you a small fee. You wait for that to clear on the blockchain, and that will remove access for that particular coin or that particular website or that particular smart contract. It will revoke the access from your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so as you can see at the top here, you can either do them in batches of 10, or you can do all of them. You can click on the button that's all of them. So I'll refresh the screen, but I thought you could see that actual revoke was moved away. So there's a few more unlimited ones. So I'll do all the unlimited ones. And it doesn't matter if you think you need them at all, because sometimes what these websites do is they put a name that you're familiar with. So I just revoke them. That's going to clear on the blockchain, so it has to, say on the blockchain that my MetaMask wallet no longer wants to interact with that particular website or dApp or cryptocurrency or smart contract. Now, if you remove one by mistake, it doesn't matter, because when you go back to that website, you'll just add the new website and you'll have to approve it again. But this really stops you from getting scammed. Okay, so you must be very careful, and you can go through the list. You can do them all at once. I tend to do them one by one. I clear mine out once a month just to make sure I've got no stuff is hanging around in my wallet that I don't want to have. So I've got one more to revoke here. Now, it's these unlimited ones that you want to be careful of, because they've got unlimited access. So that means they can do anything they like with your MetaMask wallet. So I'm just going to click on revoke. That opens up the MetaMask wallet. You're going to need to pay a fee, so I'm going to pay 9 cents to do this. Check that the fee is a reasonable fee, because some of these coins, what they do is they scam you by charging big fees, even though you're going to revoke it. And unfortunately, if you've got one that's going to scam you, they tend to charge you big fees as well. But, this says it's cake, which is what I use, that website, PancakeSwap. But I'm going to remove it anyway. So I'm going to click confirm, and then I wait for that on the blockchain. I've got the blockchain confirmation. As you can see, it's disappeared. So no websites, no dApps, No coins have got access to my wallet now, and I could never lose my coins. If I've removed them out of the wallet, it doesn't matter because they're always there. They're always there on the blockchain. All I've done is I've stopped the coin or the website or the Dapps talking to my MetaMask wallet. Now, as I said earlier in this video, I said I was going to talk to you about a passive income, a new passive income. The passive income is on a website called Johnny Blockchain. It interacts with a TronLink wallet. So if you're interested in this, what it is you buy Johnny Blockchain credits, and for those credits you pay with them for a cryptocurrency called Tron, and you'll receive up to 125% return. So you get the credits for free, really. The credits are used on the website so that you can use the tools on the website. It's an arbitrage portfolio management website where you can keep all your crypto, manage it all in one place, and obviously carry out arbitrage trades as well. And the Tron that you paid, you get 125% return. So if you paid 100 Tron, then you would get 125 back. If you paid 1,000, you'd get 1,250 back. If you paid 10,000, you'd get 12,500 back. It's a great passive income. If you're interested in this or are serious about having a passive income, then below this video you're going to find a link. Click that link. It's going to take you over to a page like this one, where you can pop your name and your email address in, and I'll keep you up to date with all of the passive incomes that I'm involved in. And if you like this type of content, make sure you give me the thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and click on the bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new video. You have a fantastic day, and I hope you found this video interesting. Bye now.